Now, what exactly makes this project special? Well, it sits right in the cultural epicenter of Hyderabad, historically known for Telugu cinema and thriving as a commercial and transport hub. A project that is well known for its construction quality and timing of delivery. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing of ASBL Legacy by ASBL, which is located in the RTC X Roads, Nallakunta, Central, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can already see that this is the exact location of the project. So very soon your marketing office, your land parcel, everything is going to be right over here. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. So unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now in this video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now, let's get to know about the project. It is going to be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel featuring 3 towers rising up to 50 floors, offering you 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see that this is the exact location of project, which is located at RTC X Roads, Nallakunta, Central of Hyderabad. Now, coming over to the connectivity part, the RTC X metro station is just 2 minutes away from here. The Sikandrabad railway station is also just 10 minutes away, and the Kachiguda railway station is also just 8 minutes away. Coming over to the amenities part, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes your club lawn, the screen on the green amphitheatre, banquet halls, basketball court and a lot more. Now, we have Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series where we have explained everything in a very simple manner. So if you are planning to buy a house right here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you that you definitely should watch our Rights of Home Buyer series. You know, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And you know, after possession, if there are leakage issue, construction quality issue, sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. And as a home buyer, it's very important to know what your actual legal rights are. Well, we have explained all these important topics in a very easy, simple, understandable manner. So I strongly recommend that you watch our series, and the link for the series is mentioned in the description below. Coming over to the super built up area, well, the configuration for the sizes for 3 BHK it is going to be 1970 square feet, 4 BHK it is going to be 2115 to 3015 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. As of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of ASBL Legacy by ASBL, which is located at the RTX Road, Central, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, from where you can easily download your e-brochure and the pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.